can't believe you, Mr. Lee.
Socks, what are you talking about?
You gave me eyes.
Is that a bad thing? I mean, I thought people like you would like to see.
Oh, now I have to look at your ugly face every day.
Socks, that's not really nice. We're about to actually do another lesson, so can we actually kind of just move on from this?
I will never forgive you.
Fine, Socks. We got to move forward here, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you guys to Season 1, Episode 2, and we're going to go over a concept called stem and leaf. And once again, I actually invited my buddy.
I'm not your buddy.
Sorry. But Jim, can you go ahead and start the
What did you say, Mr. Lee?
Jim, isn't that your name? Jim Socks?
I told you never to call me Jim, ever.
Socks, I didn't know you had such a problem with that. So, Socks, let's just go ahead and start with the lesson.
You are really starting to get under my skin today, Mr. Lee. But I do have a good lesson for you, boys and girls. Today, we are going to do stem and leaf plot. Do you see that sign? Stem and leaf. It's very easy, boys and girls. All you have to do is take some information and graph it. And take that data and do whatever you want.
Socks, I think some researchers actually kind of use it for studies and can help out some people.
Mr. Lee, I said, oh, please stop talking.
Sorry, Socks?
So today, boys and girls, we call it a stem and leaf because, well, can we look over here? Mr. Lee, can you please help me out?
Sure, Socks. You want me to get that plant?
Yes.
There you go, Socks. Is that positioned okay for you?
That will do. So, boys and girls, we call it a stem and leaf because it has a stem and leaf.
Boy, Socks, is there a reason why you're smelling the plant?
It smells so good. It gives me oxygen. I didn't know you like plants, Mr. Lee.
Actually, Socks, I do. I like to have them around the house. I think they keep things fresh. They look good. They do help provide the air, make it cleaner.
Okay, that's enough science for now, Mr. Lee. Okay, boys and girls, let me show you the graph. And you can see how it looks compared to this plant. A stem. So good. And leaf. Mr. Lee, can you please move that again?
Sure, Socks.
And move the sign, please.
Socks, I want to say thank you for saying please.
Stop it. So, boys and girls, right here, I have Michael Jordan's points for his first 10 basketball games. And Mr. Lee, you know who the GOAT is, right?
Well, LeBron James, right?
Ay, ay, ay. You are so crazy. You are embarrassing yourself. Michael Jordan is the GOAT. Period. Okay, moving on. So, boys and girls, he scored, say it together, in order, 16, 21, 37, 25, 17, 25, 33, 27, 45, and 27. Now, that's impressive, Mr. Lee. I don't think LeBron James could do that.
Well, he's done some amazing things.
Stop it, Mr. Lee.
Sorry, Socks. Please continue.
So what do you do with those numbers? The first number is the stem. If you look over there, my arm cannot reach any further. That is the stem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the leaf is the second number. So you see here under 1, it says a 6 on the other side. So that is the second number. First number 1, second number 6, which is, on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, 16. Do not make the mistake and think it is 167. No, boys and girls, that means 16 and 17. So he scored 16 in his first game, not bad, and 17 in his, I'll help you there, Sox. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you, Mr. Lee. His fifth game. So let's go on to the rest of the graph. On the second level, we got a 2, and then on the other side, there's a 1. So that means 21. I know some kids like that number. I don't know why, but some kids do. Okay, moving on. I think that's best, Sox. The next line is a 3. So he scored 33 points one game and 37. Moving on. Going down to the 5. Uh-oh. Why is there no number on the right-hand side? Let's take a look at the graph. Or the numbers. That's what I meant. Numbers. He did not score any points in the 50s in his first 10 games. That's pretty interesting information, Sox. I'm pretty impressed that you put this together. Well, you are impressed by everything, you moron. Okay, well, Sox, I think you did an excellent job. So do you want to kind of wrap it up? Yes, please. Well, boys and girls, please help me design a stem and leaf plot on Google Draw for the assignment. Can you do that, boys and girls? If you do that, Mr. Corba will smash an egg on his head. Whoa, hold on now, Sox. I don't think you have Mr. Corba's permission. So you might want to be careful. I don't care. It's on. Do the assignment, kids. I want to see Mr. Corba with the smashed egg. Yes. Well, boys and girls, there you go. Finish the assignment on stem and leaf, and let's see if Mr. Corba will do that. Guys, signing off. Adios.